In a world where the stars have always felt just out of reach, one visionary is about to change everything. What if space wasn't just for governments or billionaires? What if the dream of exploring new worlds was something we could all share? Welcome to the revolution in space travel. This is the story of Elon Musk and SpaceX, a journey to make the impossible possible. Elon Musk said, SpaceX was founded with one mission: to make space accessible to all, to give humanity the tools to make life multiplanetary. It all began in 2002, in a small warehouse with a handful of dreamers, a group of visionaries who would change the course of history. And at the center of it all stood Elon Musk, a man whose obsession with the stars would ignite a revolution. SpaceX's early days were marked by innovation and struggle. Musk wasn't just hiring engineers. He was assembling a team of the brightest minds, all bound by a singular ambition: to make space travel not just possible, but affordable. The first step? The Falcon 1, a small rocket with a big dream to get to orbit. SpaceX failed multiple times, but Musk refused to give up. On the fourth attempt, the Falcon 1 soared into the sky, and that was just the beginning. SpaceX didn't stop with a successful launch. No, they aimed higher. They wanted to change everything. And they did. Enter the Falcon 9, SpaceX's game-changing innovation in reusability. For the first time in history, a rocket didn't just launch, it landed, and then launched again. The cost of space travel was slashed. The dream of democratizing space was closer than ever. But Elon Musk wasn't done. In fact, he was just getting started. After revolutionizing the electric vehicle industry with Tesla and changing the game in private space exploration with SpaceX, Musk set his sights on an even bigger goal: nothing less than the future of humanity. His next masterpiece? Starship. This spacecraft wasn't just another spacecraft. It was a spacecraft designed for one purpose, and one purpose only: to take humanity to the moon, Mars, and beyond. Starship is not just a machine, it's the centerpiece of Musk's grand vision for interplanetary colonization. A spacecraft so massive, so powerful, and so futuristic that it makes the rockets of today look like toys in comparison. With a height taller than the Statue of Liberty and a payload capacity capable of carrying 100 tons into orbit, Starship was conceived with one ultimate goal: to carry hundreds of passengers on missions to destinations never before imagined by humankind. It was designed not just for exploration, but for settling new worlds. The idea was to take humanity to Mars, to the moon, and possibly even beyond, turning Musk's dream of making life multiplanetary into a real, tangible possibility. But Starship isn't just about the mission, it's about changing the very fabric of space exploration. Musk envisioned a reusable spacecraft, one that could launch and land with the same efficiency and affordability that we see in the aviation industry today. A spacecraft that could land back on Earth, refuel, and take off again, reducing the cost of space travel to a fraction of what it used to be. This was the next step in Musk's bold plan: to make space travel accessible not just to a select few, but to the masses. He wasn't simply content with sending astronauts to the moon or Mars. Musk wanted to democratize space to create a world where space tourism, colonization, and interplanetary commerce were everyday possibilities. Starship's journey has been full of challenges, from fiery test flights to engineering hurdles, but each obstacle only fueled Musk's resolve. Every failure was a lesson. Every setback was a stepping stone toward the ultimate triumph: humanity's first steps on another planet. As we look toward the future, Starship stands as a symbol of what's possible when innovation, ambition, and an unyielding vision collide. Starship is more than just a rocket, it's a vision. At 120 meters tall, with a fully reusable design, it could be the key to turning humanity's space dreams into reality. This isn't just about visiting the moon, it's about colonizing Mars. Every test flight brings us one step closer to a future where space travel isn't just for astronauts or billionaires, it's for anyone who dares to dream. In a world where access to space once seemed impossible, Starship is bridging the gap. Elon Musk said, "I'm not doing this because I want to be the first person on Mars. I'm doing it because humanity needs to be a multiplanetary species." But Musk's ambitions don't stop with rockets. SpaceX is pushing boundaries far beyond what most thought was achievable. Starlink, a network of thousands of satellites, is not just an ambitious venture, it's a revolution. The constellation is already bringing high-speed internet to millions. And this is only the beginning. SpaceX isn't just thinking about the here and now, it's thinking about the next frontier, the moon. In 2026, NASA's Artemis program aims to send astronauts back to the lunar surface, and SpaceX's Starship will be a key player in making this a reality. Not just a lander, but a full-fledged spacecraft capable of carrying humans to the moon and beyond. This isn't just a return trip, it's about establishing a permanent presence on another world. A base on the moon could serve as a jumping-off point for even more ambitious missions, including those aimed at Mars. But Musk isn't stopping there. While others speculate about the distant future of space exploration, he's already making bold promises about Mars. By the end of this decade, he believes we'll have humans on the red planet. Mars, once a distant and elusive dream, could soon be a new home for humanity, and Starship will be the key to making that dream a reality. The sheer scale of this vision is staggering, but Musk's focus on innovation, technology, and sustainability could very well make it achievable. Think about it. A future where space travel isn't limited to astronauts or the ultra-wealthy, but open to anyone with a sense of adventure. Imagine a world where booking a flight to Mars is as simple as booking a ticket to a far-off country. This is the future Musk envisions, a future where the sky is no longer the limit. The barriers to space aren't financial anymore. They're about curiosity, exploration, and human perseverance. For Elon Musk, space isn't just about building rockets or exploring new worlds. It's about survival. It's about ensuring that humanity has a backup plan, a way to thrive if our home planet becomes uninhabitable. Space isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. And he believes that if we're going to survive as a species, we have to look to the stars. The future of humanity depends on it. Time and time again, SpaceX has defied expectations. Each successful launch, each groundbreaking innovation, and each mission that pushes the envelope brings us closer to a future where space isn't just the final frontier, it's an accessible, thriving part of our world. Musk's ultimate vision is not just about reaching Mars, it's about creating a new chapter in human history. The future of space travel isn't some far-off dream, it's happening now. And the man leading the charge isn't just thinking about the next step, he's thinking about the next world. From landing rockets to launching humanity into the cosmos, space is rewriting the rules of space exploration. The stars are calling, and the question is, are you ready to answer? Join us as we venture into the great unknown, where the journey to the stars is only just beginning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because this adventure is far from over.